You take, you bring your hands. Okay? You take, you bring your hand. Do you understand?
Dead baby. What's up?
Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. Today I'm going to show you how to do this weaving. Last time I dropped a video, some people say because of the dark material I use, they don't understand that. Please just focus your eye on my hand and you will see how we are going to achieve it. And this time around, we are going to use two color, my people. This is net material. Okay, we are using two color. One is black, the other one is pink. This video, I don't want to fast forward this video. This is just the original video. Please, in case you want to learn how to do this weaving, you join it together from the beginning. The length is 5 yards. 5 yards. The black is 5 yards. The pink is 5 yards. This is the beginning. You hold the beginning like this. So this tie is trickish, my people. But this tie is like you take, you bring your hand. You take, you bring your hand. You take, you bring your hands. Okay? You take, you bring your hand. Do you understand? Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh. See, this is the beginning. You fold like this. Once you fold it like this, see, you shook your hand like this. Just make sure you are taking and you bring like this, like this, like this, like this. It's like this. And then you take, you bring it out. See, take, you bring it out. Then take, bring it out. Take, bring it out. And people, take, bring it out. Oh yeah, take, you bring it out. You take, you bring it out. The more length you have, the more you go. Oh yeah, you take, you bring it out. See, you take, you bring it out. You can see, you can see. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Then you take, you bring it out. Oh my people, this is the last taking. You bring it out. Now we are done. Okay, once the material is end like this, you know, from the beginning, you will not take this one inside here like this. You bring it out. Now you have your weaving. Then you will not set it up. Just try and set and set. Okay, so my people, that's it. It's done. The next thing you will do now, just place it on your head like this. Let me see that. So as I can. Okay, so right now it's ready. As you can see, it's ready. So you will now place it. You know, if you want to enjoy this style, if you want this style to fit you, just wear your long hair. Then if you have long hair, it fits you more. Because I do packing gel, just place it on your head like this. Place it on your head like this. Okay. Then this is the back side. Then you just knot it together like this. Knot it together. So you do it 2 times. Okay, so that's it. That is it, my people. That is it. Jehovah, now you the rain, oh. Now you the rain, oh. Now you the rain, oh. You can bend it. This side, you cover it. This ear, you open it. Is the style. Jehovah, now you the rain, oh. 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 Now, Jehovah, now you the rain, oh. Now you the rain, oh. Yes, so you can take it off. Take it off. Wear it back. Wear it back. Oh my God. You can take it off. You wear it back. Okay. You know what I like this style? You can take it off. Wear it back. Take it off. Wear it back. Take it off. You will wear it back. Anytime you like. Anytime you like. You take it off. You wear it back. You know why I like this style? You know why I like this style? Once you achieve it, keep it in your drawer. Any day you need it, take it off. Wear it back. Very simple. I have many styles on my YouTube channel. In case you don't like this, this is Tech Beauty. Bye bye.
Carry me, they go. Jehovah, carry me, they go.